Good afternoon. Welcome to day 383 at the EMA office. Joined here with Brian Whitaker and Chairman Mark Kern. Brian, you get to do the health department's duties today.
Yes, sir. So for St. Clair County, we tested 313,752, which is an increase of 885 since yesterday. Positive test results are 29,377. That is an increase of 33 since yesterday, and those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 80s. Our daily county positivity is 3.7%. For negative test results, we're at 284,375. Sadly, we are reporting one additional death due to COVID-19 today. That was a female in her 60s with unknown health conditions, bringing our countywide total to 472, and our sympathies go out to her family and friends. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 28,563. For state totals, they've tested 20,313,050. Positive test results of 1,244,585, which is an increase of 2,592 since yesterday. The state did announce 28 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 21,301. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 24 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 3 of those patients are on ventilators. Regionally, there are 46 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 6 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, these are cumulative numbers. We'll only announce the changes since yesterday. Four Fountains in Belleville has 153 cases and 30 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case. As we talk about every day, testing is still so vitally important. Testing is available at the St. Clair Square testing site Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., along with various pharmacies and express medical facilities. So be sure if you get tested, if you have any possibility that you might have been exposed or are feeling ill, it's important to continue to isolate this virus as we move further and further into those being vaccinated. I'll now turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Okay, let's look at the zip codes for today. 62203 up 3 to 624. 62204 down 1 to 400. 62207 up 1 to 590. 62208 up 6 to 1649. 62220 up 5 to 2104. 62221 up 1 to 2807. 62226 up 3 to 3234. 62232 up 1 to 911. 62239 up 1 to 479. 62240 up 1 to 168. 62243 up 1 to 787. 62257 up 1 to 344. 62260 up 2 to 814. 62264 down 1 to 363. 62269 up 3 to 3,304. And 62285 up 3 to 585. 33 new positives, 885 people tested, brings our daily county positivity down to 3.7%. In turn, our rolling average goes down also today to 3.8%. Regional positivity is also down to 3.2%. Regional outlook is Bond County is 0.5% today. Clinton County is 2.1%. Madison, 4%. Monroe, 7.1%. Randolph, 2.9%. St. Clair, 3.4%. And Washington County, 8.3%. So, Herb, we're getting close to the Easter holidays. It's going to be important for people. Wear your mask. You know, there's still a lot of people who haven't been vaccinated yet. Good news from Pfizer today that looks like that those even younger than age 16 will be eventually able to get vaccinated. At least that's how the early reports are coming out of people that are being tested with Pfizer. So I think it's all headed in the right direction. We just need to hang on a few more weeks, and we're going to get there.
Well, and with the Easter holiday coming up, this is a good time. Maybe the family students are coming home for their break. Maybe while they're at home, get them their vaccine. Those 16 and older, get them down to the fairgrounds. We're off today. It was closed because we do the weekly de-cleaning and patching the potholes and everything. We did have another, because of the third vendor, the CDP scheduling program, there was an issue this afternoon. Hopefully they're getting it worked out. So if any of you were trying to schedule an appointment and it wasn't allowing you into the portal, wasn't on our part, wasn't on the health department's part, it was the third-party vendor, and they're trying to get that taken care of.
And they've also told us that over Easter, they're going to be kind of updating
maintenance.
and working, doing a little maintenance on their site. So I think it's going to be important around the table at Easter or wherever you are. If there are people who are hesitant, encourage them to do a little research. You know, make themselves feel comfortable. There's plenty of scientific data that's out there, reports and articles that have been posted. Encourage people to take a look and read it, because it's really important that they understand the vaccine and exactly how it's made, how it was made, and all of the time it took, and then the numbers of people that have already gotten it and successfully now are vaccinated against the virus.
Well, you know, and Chairman, we give out that attaboys to all of our Team St. Clair members for everything they've done over the last 383 days. And I want to give a shout out there to our news media, the people from Channel 4 called today. They were talking about doing the same thing, trying to get the word out there, because they're hearing also that there's a lot of people out there that, two things. One, they're not sure if they want to get the vaccine. And so when they interviewed me today, I told them there's a lot of people doing their own research, which is good. And the other part of it is, I think there's still people out there not aware that 16 and older are eligible now. So they're trying to help. The News Democrat call. They're doing an article on that also. So we appreciate any way we can get the word out there.
And it doesn't necessarily help us by the Illinois, Missouri, the river being there. You know, Missouri is they're still way back on who is eligible for getting the vaccine. The fact that we're leaning forward and we're with anyone 16 and older who lives or works in Illinois, you know, it's important that we let the Illinois people know about that message. And sometimes the St. Louis media doesn't want to necessarily confuse their Missouri side viewers. So that's why Channel 4, we appreciate you coming here and just saying in Illinois, 16 and older with Pfizer is good to go.
We're ready to go, so we appreciate that. The site was closed today. I saw there was a comment on here. A person said that they drove by there and didn't look too busy. Well, that's because Wednesday is our housekeeping day, going and cleaning everything and patching the potholes, but it will be back up and running tomorrow morning. We've been on the phone several different times a day with the health department, Mila. And
it's also a day off for the National Guard.
Yes.
You know, they're working 6 days a week, 12 hours a day, 8 to 8. So it's important that they get 1 day off a week, and that's what they're getting. And then we take advantage of that day off to fill potholes and disinfect.
It's around every day. So we're here. We'll be back tomorrow for day 384. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities. So everybody have a good night, and we'll see you back here tomorrow afternoon. Thank you.
We in the medical profession continue the daily battle against COVID-19. One thing I know for sure is that masks do work. Until a vaccine is available, we must ask for your assistance in slowing the spread of this daily virus. 3 simple things help tremendously. Wear a mask, wash your hand, and watch your distance. By practicing those 3 basic principles, you can help us in the medical community respond and defeat COVID-19.